Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make this chess piece using a feature called a revolve. So we'll start a new drawing. We will right click and we'll go to new component, click OK, double click, we'll call it chess. Then we'll start a new sketch and we just got to make sure we select that bottom work plane, view onto the top, and then we need to insert a canvas of the image. So we go to insert canvas. We then want to go to the computer and then select the picture and click open and select that work plane. And what it will do is it will put the canvas in the origin there, which is good. We want to change this orientation so it's 90 degrees, and then we click OK. And then we click finish sketch. So we've got an image there of a chess piece. Next, we want to get it to the right size. So we want to go over to the component, and then where we've got canvases, we want to expand this, and we right click and we go calibrate. So we click on calibrate, and then we're going to select the top, and then we can select the bottom, and then we get the measurement here. So we're going to make that 50. We're going to make it 5 centimeters tall, and then we click OK. So it's now resized and it's to scale. So what we want to do now is we want to put a center line on this. So we're going to go new sketch and we select this work plane again. We then click on the line and we're going to draw a line going up. We'll press escape and then we'll draw another line going down. Press escape and we're going to select this line and then go to construction and this one again. And then we click finish sketch. So we've got a center line down the middle of our image now. So what we've got to do on a new sketch is then start to trace the profile of this chess piece. So click on new sketch and then select this work plane. We zoom in and we're going to start by drawing this circle here. So we click on center diameter circle and then we're going to place it about in the middle and draw a circle. Now that's pretty accurate, so I'm quite happy with that. Then I'm going to zoom in a bit more and I'm going to pick up the spline. I'm going to start from inside the circle and then click around the outside of the shape. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit more. Now I can zoom out. And then I'm going to go to this point here and then finish the spline. Then I'm going to start a new spline. So we've still got the spline selected there. So I'm going to click up here and then draw this long curve. Make sure you put plenty of clicks. And then we're going to go around this corner here. Zoom in a bit. A few more clicks. Zoom in and then I'm going to take it over there and then click the green tick and then going to go to line. I'm going to draw a line up here, just zoom out a bit, straight down, zoom out again and take it straight to the middle center line. Then I'm just going to press escape and then going to start trimming this profile down. So I'm going to go to the scissors and I'm going to trim this line. I'm going to trim that line there, and then if you just zoom out, we'll just trim this half here, and then everything else looks okay. I'm just going to press escape. If you wanted to reposition any of these points, you could pick them up and you can just drag them and reposition them, which is quite good. In Fusion, you can reposition your splines. But what we're going to do is we're going to use the fillet tool to put a curve here. So we click on fillet, and then we're going to put a fillet on this these two lines here. So we're going to click here and then click there, and we can see we've got 1.6. So we can just pull that 0.75. That'll work. And we click return, and then we go back to fillet again, and then we zoom in, and we're going to click here and click there. We can see 2.9, so we can just pull that fillet. That'll work, and then that is looking good. So just going to press return, and we've got our profile drawn now. So what we need to do is just click on the line, and then click on the very top, and then the very bottom to finish the profile, and then we go finish sketch. So what we want to do now is revolve this profile around the center line, the dashed line there that we drew earlier. So we go create, revolve. Then it asks us a profile, which it's already selected it. So because we've got this profile here, it's selected it already for us. So it's blue, and it's asking us to select the axes. So we're just going to click on this dash line here that we did earlier. And then we can see, before we accept the sketch, that it has rotated it 360 degrees around the axes. So then when we click OK, we have now got our finished chess piece. So if you just wanted to clean this up, you can turn off the canvas, and there we are, a chess piece created from a revolve.